The other thing to keep in mind as well with Weber screw driving systems is that we can drive much shorter fasteners. So conventionally in our industry, we ask for the screw length to be twice the screw head diameter. And the reason a lot of people need that is they don't have nearly precise feed tube. And the other reason is they have a tube that is welded essentially onto another tube that creates an elliptical shape where fasteners have a tendency to tumble. That's why they want you to have a longer fastener. What we do with our swivel arm, it's actually a tube inside of a tube. So we avoid creating that elliptical shape, avoid creating that tendency for fasteners to tumble, so we can actually drive much smaller fasteners. With regards to our feed tube, what we do is we take the diameter of the screw head, bring it to its closest millimeter and add 1. And that becomes the ID of the tube we select. So it allows us to drive much shorter fasteners.